Good morning and welcome to our English class. Today let us continue with Unit 2, Part 3. The prose is a story of self-sacrifice and bravery. In this Part 3, we are going to see the awards, achievements and legacy which she received because of her achievements and her self-sacrifice. She is the woman set an example for all human beings. She attracted everyone because of her dedication and self-sacrifice. Not only for others, even for Indians also she set an example. Her loyalties of the passengers of the aircraft in distress will forever be a lasting tribute to the finest qualities of the human spirit. Her loyalties and the human spirit which she had, and she received the Ashok Chakra citation. Nirja's act of bravery was acknowledged and rewarded by the Indians. She sacrificed herself, she saved others because of her brave and courageous skill. Her braveness was acknowledged and rewarded by the Indian, Pakistan and American governments. As you all know, children, the Indians were there, Pakistans and the Americans were in that flight. So that those country people also were awarding her. They awarded her for her bravery, for her courage. A young girl stood for courage and risked her life. She risked her life. She gave her life. She was awarded the Ashok Chakra, India's highest honor for bravery in peacetime, and she became the youngest civilian to receive it. A postage stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. The postage stamp also was issued in her honor in 2004. See children, she died in the year 1986, but they realized her qualities and they issued the postage. In 2005, her brother went to Washington DC to receive the Justice for Crimes Award, awarded posthumously to her as part of the annual Crime Rights Week. See, Justice for Crimes Award, awarded posthumously to her as part of the annual Crime Rights Week. She also received the Tamka-e-Insaniyat Award. She also received Tamka-e-Insaniyat Award. Her parents set up the Nirja's Bhanot Pan Am Trust with insurance money and funds from Pan Am for using the brand Pan Am in the title. Her parents also gave a trust with insurance money and funds from Pan Am for using the brand Pan Am in the title. The trust presents 2 awards every year. One to honor a flight crew member worldwide who acts beyond the call of duty, and another to an Indian woman who overcomes social injustice and helps other women in similar social distress. So they were giving 2 awards. One to honor flight crew member worldwide, and for the Indian women who overcomes social injustice and help other women in a similar social distress. The award includes a sum of INR 1,50,000, a trophy and a citation. So it was sum of INR 1,50,000, a trophy and a citation. One of the children who this brave flight purser saved during a hijacking incident in 1986 is now a captain of a major airline. See, in that flight there were 3 children. She saved them. One among them is a captain of a major airline. Some people shine even after death. You know that there are leaders shine even after death, and the great people. And she was among them. She is one among them. After her death also, till today people remember her. Even the streets of Mumbai couldn't forget her. Even the street of Mumbai also couldn't forget her because of her great deed. A square of Mumbai, Ghatkopar East suburb, was named after her by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. See children, Mumbai Municipal Corporation also named after by her name because of her sacrifice, bravery, courage. She is the heroine of hijack. Nirja Bhanot is the heroine of hijack. So that they named after her by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Nirja Bhanot Ashok Chakra was an Indian head purser who died while saving passengers on Pan Am Flight 73, which had been hijacked by terrorists during a stopover in Karachi. Till today, she inspires millions around the world. Some women don't need a hero because they are a hero themselves. Even in the newspaper also everything was put. So dear children, here you see Nirja, the hijack hero, life story and the achievements which she received. It is a short flowchart is put here. With this help you can write a paragraph. You can learn this story from this flowchart. Thank you.